Today in this video we are going to learn all Python arithmetic operators in minutes, and this is going to be an example based learning. So the first one we have is addition. So when we say, for example, we have two numbers 10 and 3, we add them together, we all know that the result is 13. The next operator we have on the line is subtraction. For example, we say 10 minus 3, we get 7. The next operator we have is multiplication. We use the star signs for multiplication in programming. For example, when we say 10 star 3, the result is 30, okay? And the next operator we have is division. When we say 10 divided by 3, we get 3.33333. The symbol we used /. And the next operator we have is the flow division. Sometimes they call it integer division. So the integer division is just like a normal division, but it throws away the decimal part of the result. When it happens that the result has decimal part, mind you, it doesn't round up. It just throws away the decimal part of the result, whatever it is. Even if it is, for example, even if it is 3.9, it doesn't round up to 4. It throws away the decimal part of the result. It always returns integer. That's why sometimes we call it integer division. Okay, and it is represented using the /. And the next we have is the modulo, represented using a percent sign. It is a remainder operator. It returns a remainder after performing a division. For example, when you divide 10 by 3, you get a remainder of 1, so it returns that remainder. It doesn't care about anything else. It always returns a remainder. That's modulo for you. Sometimes we call it a remainder operator. Then the seventh operator we have is the exponentiation. The exponentiations, we use the double star to represent it. It is a simple power operation. So for example, when we say 10 star 3 means 10 raised to power of 3. 10 raised to power of 3. And we know 10 raised to power of 3 is 1000. Thank you.